Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a run through of a plain journal that I've made. I've got three altogether, one which I'm going to use. Well, that's where the idea came from. I was making myself a new journal and I thought, okay, while I'm making one, let's make a couple of others. They are exactly the same as this. So I will run through what we've got. It's hardcover, ridges on the spine, plain albeit distressed back, 6 across, 8 3/4, 2-inch spine. There are 7 signatures in total, about 168 page faces. So the front has got, this was a tablecloth that I've cut up. Then we've got some layered with some hessian, a couple of pictures and some lace and sari silk for the fastening. So like I say, plain, for you to add all your own things too. All I've done is added some lace on the leading pages of each signature. So there are 7 pages in total. I've taken this, there is only one printed page, or one feature page, which I've taken from the watercolour kit, Meadows. So here we go. So this will be very quick because they're all the same. So loads of plain. Now what I have done, because I was making one up for myself and I thought I want some background colours. So I've done, it's like the light's not very good at the moment, but it's either that or half brilliant sunshine and half shadow. So I've tried to compensate, so I do apologise. So there are some very faint, almost watermark pages. I've added, there is just a book page in each one. I was looking and I thought, oh, I like to gesso on my book pages, and so they are of a reasonable thickness to allow you to do that and to glue things onto them. Then there's a craft page in each signature, which can either be left like that, you can fold it back, lots of different things. That's another printed page. That one is a blue, well, this light's a bit rubbish, I do apologise, like a blue harlequin design. And same on that one. So each signature, like I was saying, roughly the same. Some lace that I've stitched on there. Now this one is a very, very faint rose, like a Macintosh rose pattern on it, but I'm not even sure if I hold it up close that you'll see it. It's just, when I'm adding my bits and pieces to my journal, sometimes it's nice to have a background already done. This one's got some old music paper in. And that one is a, same again, very sort of watermarked page. Like I say, oops, plain. That one is a very pale blue, but because I've printed them out on the ivory colour paper, they seem to be a lot warmer than if I'd have just printed them out on plain white. That's blue pattern on the back. There's the silver. That's some more brown, like a very pale brown. Some more blue watermarks. Same again. fingers aren't working today. There are no added bags or envelopes. That's the Harlequin page. Literally just the pages as I would use them. That's actually what I've used on the inside cover. But I've really sort of made it a lot paler. So, it's another one of the very pale brown beige colours. And the back page of it. That was like a greeny coloured one. I don't know. Yep. And because it hasn't got all the embellishments, all the extra bits that I would normally add on, the postage is cheaper as well, which is always a bonus. Right, and that's the last of the printed pages. I don't even know if you can see these properly. And the back page. So there we are. It is what it is. An unadorned journal ready for filling. And whatever decoration that you want on it. Like I say, I've got 2 of these, which I will list in on my shop. I'll put the link underneath. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak. Well, actually, I've done a couple of videos of how I use my journals. So once I've finished editing those, I'll upload those as well. Yeah, it'd be interesting because it is exactly the same as this one. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all shortly. Bye.